Honorable HOD ma'am, respected teachers and all my dear friends. A wonderful good morning to everyone. Myself Divya. I am pursuing B Pharma from Hygiene Institute. Firstly, a huge amount of respect and thank you to all the fabulous pharmacists. In this World Pharmacist Day, let's pay our pharmacists their due wishes and salute them from helping patients. A very happy World Pharmacist Day to everyone. Before starting, we should know our world is fight against a new form of virus. Is coronavirus or COVID-19 has caused of huge pandemic across the world, and every day approximately 95,000 cases are found and 1,000 pupils are dead. As we know, when WHO declared COVID-19 is a huge pandemic, then the lot of myths around the pupils are generated through social media and through common public, which just made more panic situation between pupils. So today I am presenting here to express my views on myths and facts regarding COVID-19 or coronavirus. So myth number first is that new coronavirus affect only elder people. The fact on that myth is that people of all ages can be infected by new coronavirus. Older people getting infected is a higher. It is because of their weak immune system and their pre-existing medical conditions like that asthma, heart disease and diabetes. WHO advises of people all ages to take steps to protect themselves from the virus by good hygiene and good respiratory hygiene. The myth number second is that onset of summers means a decline of virus. The fact on that myth is that although the previous coronavirus SAR and MERC survives better in cold environment, there is no guarantee that the same will be true for COVID-19 from the evidence. So far, the novel coronavirus can be transmitted in all area, including area with hot and humid weather, and assuming that the virus will disappear in the summer would be a falsehood. The myth number third is that taking hot bath and drinking hot water can prevent the virus from infecting you. The fact on that myth is that coronavirus symptoms from a majority of the people infected include cough, mild fever, sore throat, headache and body ache. While drinking hot water, you make you feel better. There is no evidence that it will not cure you. Having bath in hot water would not work either. According to WHO, since the body temperature remain at an average of 36.5 degrees centigrade to 37 degrees centigrade regardlessly of the temperature of your bath or shower. The myth number fourth is that eating garlic help prevent infection with the new coronavirus. The fact on that myth is that eating garlic is not helpful. Garlic is a healthy food that may have some antimicrobial properties. However, there is no evidence from the current outbreak that eating garlic has protected people from the new coronavirus. The fifth myth is that spraying alcohol or chlorine all over body can cure corona. The fact on that myth is that no spraying alcohol or chlorine based sanitizer all over body will not kill coronavirus that have already entered our body. They are useful to disinfect surface when used under appropriate or recommendations, but using them on our body can be harmful from our cloth or mucous membrane. So, spraying alcohol can protect the coronavirus but cannot cure it already entered inside our body. At last, I would like to say that we don't believe in that type of myths which is shared by someone or social media or common public. We should only see the information from trusted sources like government and some other reliable sources like the Hindu, the Times of India, etc. And finally, I would like to say that during this pandemic, we should stay safe and stay home because nothing is more than important than our life. Thank you. Have a good day.